What about the first official license deal you did after you evolved into what is Soul Store today?
So that was Friends and the Big Bang Theory.
Okay.
Remember it very clearly. So Warner is the company that has the license for Friends, Harry Potter, Big Bang Theory, DC, and a bunch of others. We straight up told them we want the DC license, right? Everyone's a Batman fan. And they came and told us the DC license is not available for you guys. Y'all are extremely small. Y'all have not proved yourselves. Maybe sometime later. And we said, no, we want it. So they told us we're going to give you Friends and the Big Bang Theory,
Hmm.
which for them were relatively smaller licenses. For us, it was huge. And when we got our first license, we didn't know what to do with it. And
Hmm.
I'll tell you what that means.
Hmm.
So you get a style guide, which is a bunch of artwork, logos, funny lines, etc. from the show.
Okay.
You're basically supposed to copy paste that as it is, send it for approval, put it on a product, and sell it.
Okay.
Now, we assume that those style guides are not to be copy pasted as is, those are just guidelines or references. So, we took inspiration from those but completely changed the designs to make it more fan friendly. And Warner was actually surprised, saying, hey, what have you guys done, right? Why have you changed this completely? Why have you put so much
Hmm.
effort?
Hmm.
Are you sure this is going to get approved? Because you'll have completely flipped it.
Yeah.
And we just told them, hey, as a fan, this is what we'd love to wear. So
Hmm.
that's what we designed.
Hmm.
They were actually super impressed with the amount of effort we put into creating that first range of merchandise. I also remember as Friends fans, you got this Phoebe song booklet. So it was this Friends activity book with different crosswords and
Yeah.
puzzles and stuff with various moments from the show. And with the Big Bang Theory, you got this roommate agreement signed by Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Now, these were very, very small sort of freebies to give. But when Warner saw the kind of effort that we're putting into marketing, into packaging, into product, and the way we are treating their IP, they were really, really happy. And then they gave us more of their IPs. When the other partners like Disney, WWE, IPL teams saw what we were doing, it sort of snowballed from there. To the point where today, when a new brand wants to enter the country and wants to do merchandise, we are their sort of go-to partner because if the sole store takes that bet on them and does
Yes.
a good job, it'll become easier for them to sell the license to other partners. So
Right.
it's been a fun journey from getting the smallest of their IPs
Yeah.
to everyone now wanting to partner
So
with
now
us.
tables have turned. You have people coming to you and saying,
Absolutely,
yeah,
yeah. It's been fun.
yeah.